Hello, in this video, we're focusing on the practical concepts that you can actually apply in the real business world. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Today's competitive global market, organizations face constant pressure to improve quality, speed, and costs all at once. Operational excellence, or OPEX, is a management approach that helps businesses deliver great value to customers by optimizing their processes, resources, and capabilities. It's more than just improving efficiency or fixing isolated issues. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement where strategy, people, processes, and technology work together to ensure operations run smoothly, reliably, and with high quality. Companies that embrace operational excellence are better able to adapt to change, grow sustainably, and handle economic or competitive challenges. Financially, this approach often leads to lower costs, less waste, and better use of assets, boosting profitability and freeing up resources for innovation and resilience. It also enhances the customer experience by reducing errors, shortening delivery times, and ensuring consistent high-quality results, which builds loyalty and satisfaction. This is especially important in service industries like logistics, banking, and healthcare, where reliable operations can create a strong competitive edge. Throughout this presentation, we will explore how operational excellence works in practice, its benefits and challenges, and real-world examples to help understand its true value for businesses. Operational excellence plays a key role in reducing variability and reliance on extraordinary individual effort by promoting standardized, well-controlled processes that are easier to scale, audit, and recover when disruptions happen. This is especially critical in regulated industries and global supply chains, where consistency and control are essential. Beyond process efficiency, operational excellence also boosts employee engagement and shapes a positive organizational culture by providing clear standards and continuous improvement opportunities, enabling employees to address problems proactively instead of reacting to repeated issues. At its core, operational excellence means consistently and reliably executing business processes to meet or exceed customer expectations while minimizing total cost. However, top organizations see it as a mindset and way of working centered on principles like focusing on customer value, thinking across entire processes rather than isolated functions, continuous learning, data-driven decisions, combining standardization with accountability, and strong leadership commitment that aligns culture and goals. While it is linked to approaches like Lean, Six Sigma, and Kaizen, operational excellence isn't confined to one framework. Achieving it requires a long-term commitment through structured steps, starting with aligning operations closely to the organization's strategic objectives so that cost, quality, speed, flexibility, and reliability targets are clear and connected to overall goals. Without this alignment, efforts risk becoming isolated efficiency projects that fail to deliver meaningful impact. Organizations need to identify and document their entire value-creating processes from start to finish. Mapping these processes helps uncover inefficiencies, bottlenecks, duplicated efforts, and errors. It's important to understand how work actually flows, not just how we assume it does. Standardizing processes where it makes sense provides a solid foundation for operational excellence by reducing variation and setting a clear baseline for improvement. This doesn't stifle innovation, but instead removes waste and confusion, creating more room for new ideas. Embedding continuous improvement encourages everyone in the organization to spot issues and suggest better ways of working, using tools like root cause analysis and the plan, do, check, act cycle to make steady progress. Using relevant and timely data is key, with performance metrics tracking both results like delivery time and defect rates, and process health factors such as variability and downtime, which helps maintain accountability and learning. Finally, investing in people and culture is essential. Training, leadership development, and empowering employees create a sustained commitment to excellence, where leaders lead by example, support learning from mistakes, and foster a culture focused on continuous improvement. Real-world examples like Toyota demonstrate how these principles work in practice, with their production system driving efficiency, quality, and respect for employees through waste elimination and problem-solving at every level. Amazon demonstrates operational excellence by using data-driven optimization, automation, and continuous testing to speed up deliveries and manage large volumes efficiently in fulfillment, logistics, and customer service. In healthcare, hospitals employing lean and similar methods reduce patient wait times, minimize errors, and cut costs by improving care paths and interdepartmental coordination, which benefits both patients and staff. Low-cost airlines achieve their efficiencies through tightly coordinated scheduling, fleet use, quick turnarounds, and cost control, supported by standardized fleets and streamlined operations that help them offer reliable service with lower costs than traditional carriers. Operational excellence brings many advantages, including cost reduction by cutting waste, better consistency and quality of products and services, higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, scalable growth without steep cost increases, stronger resilience to disruptions, and more engaged and empowered employees. These benefits build a sustainable competitive edge. However, there are challenges to consider, such as the significant resources and time needed to implement these practices, the risk that too much focus on efficiency could limit creativity, resistance to cultural change that can slow improvement, delays before seeing measurable results, and the danger of treating tools as rigid checklists rather than flexible aids to progress. Balancing these factors is key to successfully embedding operational excellence. To avoid common pitfalls, organizations need to strike the right balance between discipline and flexibility, keeping their focus on long-term value creation rather than quick cost cuts. Operational excellence is more than just a set of tools. It's a mindset that helps companies deliver consistent, efficient, and ever-improving performance. Success in this area hinges on strong leadership, a culture that supports excellence, and a clear understanding of what customers truly value. In today's complex and competitive world, operational excellence offers a steady foundation for businesses to innovate, grow, and adapt. When embraced as a way of working, not just a temporary program, companies are better equipped to sustain strong performance and achieve lasting success. Hello. If this video was useful, you'll find some more useful business and finance topics on the channel. And thank you very much for watching.